Hi students, today we will learn about a substitution method. This is one of the method to find the solution of a pair of linear equation, and here is the algorithm. The first step is choose any one of an equations and express in the value of one variable, say y, in terms of x. So choose any one equations and express in the terms of y. Substitute the value of y in obtained in the previous step in other equation to get an equation in x. So substitute the what we have obtained here in the another equation, so you will get an equation in terms of x. So now it is in the terms of x, right? So we can solve the equation and obtain the previous step to get the value of x. So here in this step we will get entire term as an x, and we can solve it for the value of x. So after solving, substitute the value of x in the expression y in the terms of x, obtain the step 1 to get y value. So use this in the expression, the first step expression, and you will obtain a y value. The value of x and y are the required solution of the given equation. Here I will show you an example. So let us consider an equation x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, so let me consider this as an equation 1, equation 2. So first step is express it in the value of one variable, any equation. Choose any equation. Let me choose the first equation. So express it in the terms of y. So if you want to express in terms of y, then x will interchange to the next side, it will become minus x. So y is equal to 14 minus x. Clear? Now substitute this value of y in another equation. So we are choosing the first equation, right? Now substitute this value in the second equation. In the place of y, you substitute 14 minus x. So it will become a x minus 14 minus x is equal to 4. Clear? So minus, it will be multiplied inside. X minus 40, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus plus, x is equal to 4. So that x plus x is 2x is equal to minus 14. If it goes this side, it will become a plus 14. It will become an 18. So 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to 9. So we obtain the value of 9. Now solve the equation. So this we have to do here. Solve this equation to get a value of 9. Value of x, that is a 9. Now substitute the value of x in the expression y in terms of x. Now you substitute this x value in the expression y in terms of x. Here the expression, right? Substitute here the value of x. So you will obtain a y value, right? X is equal to 9. Substitute here. It will become a y is equal to 14 minus 9. That is y is equal to 5. That's it. This is the value of x and y are the required solution of the equation. So x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5 are the required solution. Easy, right? So here is an example problem. The two linear equation is there. You have to solve this linear equation with the substitution method and find the value of x and y. So the two equation, let me name it as an equation 1 and equation 2. So choose any one of the equation and express in the terms of any of the variable. The previously I saw in the y, right? Now we can express in the x also, not a problem. Let me choose the first equation and I will express in the x. So first equation is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. Express in terms of x. You can express in x or y, whatever. So 0.2x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y. So we need to express only in the terms of x. So 0.2, it is in multiplication. If it comes here, it will become division. 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2. Now we got an expression of the x. Substitute this x in another equation. So we choose this equation from the 1, right? Substitute it in the equation 2. Substitute the value of x in 2. So we have choose the first equation, so we have to substitute the second equation. So in the place of x, you substitute here. So 0.4 into 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2 plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So here the 0.2 and 0.4 can be cancelled by 2 times, and we can multiply the 2 in the Inside it's a distributive property. 2 into 1.3 is a 2.6 minus 2 into 0.3 is a 0.6y plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So we can take 2.6 to this side. It will become a subtraction. And minus 0.6 plus 0.5 minus 0.6 plus 0.5 is a minus 0.1y is equal to 2.3 minus 2.6. So minus 0.1y is equal to 2.3 minus 2.6 is minus 0.3. So minus minus get cancelled and y is equal to 0.3 by 0.1. Multiple 10 on the both sides. So both numerator and denominator, you will get a y value is equal to 3. This is the value of y, right? Now substitute this y value in this x term. So you will get a value of x, right? So this is sub means substitute. Substitute y is equal to 3 in, let me call it as an equation 3. So simply I can write in equation 3. So equation 3 is equal to x is equal to, I'll write here 1.3 minus 0.3. Instead of the y place, substitute a 3 into 3 divided by 0.2. So 1.3 minus 0.3 into 3 is 0.9 divided by 0.2. So x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.9 is 0.4. 0.4 by 0.2. So 0.1 and 0.4 is 2 times. So value of x is 2. So therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. That's the answer. So here you go for the word problem. From the pair of linear equation for the following problem, find the solution by substitution method. The condition is the difference between two numbers is 26 and one of the number is 3 times the other. Find them. So first we have to assign the value for what is x and y. So there's a two number they said. So let I consider the first number be x and second number be y. So first condition is, what is the first condition? Difference between the two number is 26. So difference means a subtraction. So x minus y is equal to 26. So x minus y means we are considering the x is the greater. Considering x is the greater than y. Otherwise it will become a negative, right? And what is the second condition? Second condition is one number is 3 times the other number. Already we consider the x is the greater, then the greater number should be the 3 times the y, right? That's it. One number is 3 times the other number. So that is this equation 1. And so x is equal to 3 times y. This is a equation 2. Clear? Now we can see it is already the x is expressed in the terms of 3y, right? Just you substitute in the first equation, you will get entire term in the y and you can find the value of y. So substitute to equation 2 in 1. So x in the terms of, in the place of x, you replace the 3y. 3y minus y is equal to 26. 3y minus y is equal to 2y is equal to 26. So y is equal to 13, right? Now you substitute this y is equal to 13 in either of the equation. So you will get an x value. Let me substitute in the second equation itself. So it will be easy, right? Substitute y is equal to 13 in equation 2. Any equation you can substitute, you will get. So x is equal to 3 into 13. So x is equal to 39. So the two number, the first number is 39 and the second number is 13. Therefore number is 13 and another is 39. Clear? So here we go for the next word problem. The larger of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by the 18 degree. Find that. So larger of two supplementary angle means sum of the two angles is 180, right? So you consider the one angle is x and another angle is y. let one angle be x, that means x degree, another supplementary angle, right? Angle be y degree. So here also let me consider that x is greater than y. So what is the first condition? Supplementary. First condition is supplementary. Supplementary means sum is 180. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree, right? And what about the second condition? The larger of angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. So which one here is the larger? I consider x is the larger. So x is exceed the smaller is y. Exceed by how much? 18. Clear? So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Equation 2 already expressed in the term of one variable x. Substitute in the first equation. Substitute equation 2 in 1. So in terms of x, you substitute y plus 18 in the first equation. So y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y plus y is 2y. So 18, if interchange this side, it will become a minus. So 2y is equal to 180 minus 18 is 162, and y is equal to 81, right? So value of y is equal to 81. Now you substitute y is equal to 81 in any equation. Let me substitute in the equation 2. So x is equal to y is 1, 81 plus 18, right? Then in terms of y, you have to substitute the value of y. So x is equal to 81 plus 18. So what is 81 plus 18? 99, right? So x value is equal to 99. Clear? Therefore, one angle is 99 degree and its supplementary is 81 degree. The unit is important. So here we go for the next important problem. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge for a distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for the journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155. So the taxi is having some fixed charge for a fixed distance, and after that it is increased the charges per kilometers. So for a 10 kilometers totally he paid a 105, and for 15 kilometer it's 155. Find the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer. How much does the person have to pay to travel for a 125? So there are two questions. You have to find what's the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer, and what you have to find for 25 kilometer, how many they have to pay. Clear? So first let consider the fixed charge be rupees x, and the charge per kilometer be rupees y, right? So first is the 10 kilometer, it charged for a 105. So first condition, so from fixed charge plus for per kilometer is 5 rupees. So for that, for 10 kilometers, so 10y, right? For 10y is equal to how much? 105. That will be the equation 1. What about the second condition? For a journey of 15 km, charge paid is 155. For 15 km, fixed charge ax plus and 15y is equal to rupees 155. Let it be the equation 2. Clear? Now you change any of this equation in the terms of any variable. Let me choose the first equation and I will rewrite for an x. Okay, so it will become a 10y this side, right? So x is equal to 105 minus 10y. Clear? Now substitute this in the another equation. Substitute, let me consider as an equation 3. Substitute equation 3 in second equation. So in terms of x, you substitute this 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 150y. So if you take this side, it will be a subtraction. Minus 10y plus 15y is an 5y. So 155 minus 105. 155 minus 105 is a 50. So 5y is equal to 50. So y is equal to, so we got a value of 5. Now substitute the y value in the third equation, you will get a value of x. Substitute y is equal to 10 in third equation. So x is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10. So it is a 105 minus 105 minus 10 into 10 is 100. So x is equal to 5. So x we consider as a fixed charge. So for fixed charge is 5 rupees and the charges per kilometer is 10, right? Therefore fixed charge is rupees 5 and charges per kilometer is rupees 10. So third condition is given. What is the third condition is given? How much does person have to pay for traveling distance of 25 km? For this we will make an equation, then we can substitute. So for 25 km, he have to pay a fixed charge plus 25 into y, right? X is a fixed charge and y is the kilometer charges per kilometer for 25 km. So x is the 5 plus 25 into the y is the 10. So 25 into 10 is 250. 250 plus 5 is 255. So therefore charge for 25 km is rupees 255. Clear? So just finding this value x and y, we can substitute for any kilometers and we can find. And here is the most familiar word problem, solving with a fraction since you're doing from the 8th standard. But here is a linear equation. A fraction become 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. This is the first condition. If you add 2 to both numerator and denominator, it will become 9 by 11. And if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it will become a 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So fraction have both numerator and denominator, right? So let me consider, let x be a numerator and y be a denominator. So first condition is the 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So x by y will be the fraction. 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. The fraction will become a 9 by 11. So rewrite to an linear equation. Just to cross multiply, 11 will multiply with this numerator and here. So it will become 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. So it will become 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. So y, x and y you bring to this side, it will become 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22 is a 4, minus 4, right? Negative 22. So let it be the equation 1. And the second condition is 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it become a 5 by 6. So x plus 3 by y plus 3, it will become a 5 by 6. So this also we can cross multiply and write 6x plus 18. Here you multiply. Directly I have written 5y plus 15. So 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18 is a minus 3, right? This is the equation 2. So from the y, let me solve for an x. From the first equation, let me solve for an x. So from first equation, if we solve for an x, 11x is equal to minus 4, it will become a plus 9y. And you interchange the negative and positive. And 11, if come this, it will become a division. So x is equal to 9y minus 4 divided by 11. So substitute, let me consider this as a third equation. So substitute in the second equation. Substitute equation 3 and 2. We will get a value for an y, right? So in the terms of an
x, you substitute 9y minus 4 by 11. So 6 into 9y minus 4 divided by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So here 11 and 6 are not able to cancel, so let me take an LCM. So 6 into 9y minus 4, so LCM is 11, it will become a minus 5 into 11 is 55y, and you will drag to this side, it will become a minus 11 into 3 is 33. Now you solve, you will get. So 6 9s are 54, 54y minus 6 4s are 24 minus 55y is equal to minus 33. So 54y minus 55y is a minus 1y. So minus 33 plus 24. So minus 33 plus 24, it will become a minus y is equal to minus 9, then y is equal to 9, right? Now substitute this y in the third equation, you will get a value, right? Now let me do here. Substitute y is equal to 9 in equation 3. So you will get x is equal to 9 into 9. Instead of a y, you substitute the value 9. 9 into 9 minus 4 divided by 11. So 9 9s are 81. 81 minus 4 divided by 11. So 81 minus 4 is a 77, right? So x is equal to 77 by 11. So 77 11 times 7 times. So x is equal to 7. So value of x is 7 and y, that is the numerator is 7 and denominator is the y. Therefore the fraction is 7 divided by 9, right? We consider the x as the numerator and y as the denominator. So the fraction is 7 by 9. Clear? Thank you.